Ever wondered how to turn those digital GrabPay credits into cold, hard cash? You're not alone. Whether you've accumulated a significant balance or just want to free up some digital funds, cashing out your GrabPay wallet is a breeze. GrabPay, a popular digital wallet, offers a convenient way to pay for various services, from ride-hailing to food delivery. But what happens when you have extra funds in your wallet? Or perhaps you simply want to transfer the money to your bank account. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open the Grab app. Launch the app. The first step is to open the Grab app on your smartphone. Log in. Ensure you're logged into your Grab account. Step 2. Access your wallet. Navigate to Wallet. Look for the wallet icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Check balance. Confirm the amount you want to cash out. Step 3. Initiate the cash out process. Tap Cash Out. Locate the Cash Out button within your wallet. Select Bank Account. Choose the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. Link a new account. If you haven't linked a bank account, you'll need to do so. This process typically involves providing your bank's name, account number, and other relevant details. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Review details. Double-check the amount you're cashing out and the destination bank account. Confirm. Tap Confirm to proceed with the transaction. Step 5. Wait for processing. Processing time. The processing time for cash outs can vary. It usually takes a few business days for the funds to reflect in your bank account. Tips and troubleshooting. Minimum cash out amount. Some countries may have a minimum amount required for cash outs. Fees. Be aware of any potential fees associated with cashing out, especially if you're transferring funds to a different currency. Technical issues. If you encounter any issues during the cash out process, try restarting the app or contacting Grab's customer support. Cashing out your GrabPay wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following these guidelines, you can easily transfer your digital funds to your traditional bank account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.